How to remove the Renault Megane Convertible door panel 2010 to 2016. Starting off with the inner door mirror cover, we'll need to remove. We're going to first remove all of these covers where the door open handle is, and then there's another cover where the door pull handle is. And to the side, there is two covers. I forgot to record the second one, but there is two of these with torque screws underneath. These door panels actually come off half, top piece and bottom piece. Remove these torque screws. I believe they were T30, these big ones. Make sure they're off completely. Don't let them even stay there. Remove this torque screw to the top over here, and then the torque screw to the sides. And then with this top piece, what you do is detach it from the window sill, and you'll need to pull it upwards. So pull it off from the window sill, because to actually put this in place, it slots down, and I'll show you shortly. And then pull it upwards. Unclip the door open handle cable. Here is the top piece. As you can see, they slot down. And then the inner door mirror cover, these slotting down pieces. And this is how you remove the top piece for the door panel. For the bottom piece, there are all of these torque screws that you'll need to remove one by one. And then on the inside, what holds the door panel or this bottom piece are clips. And you'll need to get in between the door panel and the door itself and just pull it off. Once you remove all of these torque screws, there's also two to the bottom. So over here, even with your hand, just gently pull the bottom piece out and it should come out quite easily. And then you'll need to unclip the window switch or unplug. And then over here, one tip is make sure these clips, these white ones, are on the door panel like this. And if there's any left on the door, get them and put them on the door panel. It makes refitting much easier. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.